Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Life Snapshot. Evelyn, Greg and Muttley here from Australia. Please check out our other videos. We just do day by day life here in Australia, some hobbies we do. Everyone's got a cool cooking show. Check out our Muttley episodes when we're walking our own stuffy through the bush, and just little hints and stuff about Australia. And also my coin collections. I'm getting some good feedback from that, so check it out. Anyway, we have decided to go with Starlink, the old Elon Musk. Why not? In Australia, if you don't know, the NBN is, in one word, crap. It uploads ridiculous. Sometimes a 10-minute video takes about 6, sometimes 8 hours to upload because they bodged everything. So they, the government have just got this half-ass idea of doing everything, and the fibre optic is to the area but not to our house individually. So it's off the old copper and it's running really bad. The download's all right, but the upload is absolutely hopeless. So we've decided to go with Starlink. So the guy's coming tomorrow to install it. A mate of mine, he's going to come install. Oh, check this guy out. I've already ripped the door open. Look at that. Wow. So that's obviously the dish. That's very cool. And you can take it anywhere, so that's the cool thing. I'm going to probably have him set it up so you can just take it anywhere. So when we go for our trip around Australia, we can take this with us as a basic thing. I just get things done professionally. It's probably very easy to set up, but I get things done professionally. I don't mind about paying extra for that stuff. And then we have all the bits and pieces. It's like there's a modem or receivers here and stuff like that. Wires, everything like that. So yeah, guys coming tomorrow to set it up. You'll be here at 8 o'clock. We are looking forward to this. We already pay $80 a week, $80 a month just for our normal NBN setup. And like I said, look, I'm not trying to knock the suppliers here. We get it through. No, that should have said on. No, it doesn't matter. We're not knocking the supplier. Okay, we've had Aussie Broadband and they've been flawless. When it comes to, you know, downloading, and it's always connected. So we'll give credit where credit's due, and it's not their fault. You know what I mean? The fibre optic, like I said, is not running directly to the house. So thank you, Australian government. Thanks, but no thanks. It's time to catch up. And 2025, and the Australian government won't do it, then I will. I'll do it my way. So thank you, Elon Musk. I appreciate this. This is going to be awesome. Looking forward to having speedy uploads. But it's a little bit more expensive, but hey, I'm happy to pay for it. I think it's about $140 a month. So anyway, there's my little rant. All the best, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy. Look out for the next one.